In this video guys, I'm going to teach you how you can start what your cryptocurrency trading, or can I say online business, today, just by following this simple step that I'm going to show you. And in this video guys, I'm going to review to you these two application you can actually use to do this freely. You deposit, and you can deposit in money, you can withdraw money from your crypto bank down to your local bank account. Do you understand? So if this video is something you will love to learn, I am begging you, if you are new to this channel, subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification sign, and lastly, let me know in the comment section if this video is very helpful. And do not forget that the two applications will be available on my Telegram channel and on my WhatsApp group. So do well to join my WhatsApp group so you don't miss out on this update. So first and foremost, let me show you guys the first application you need to use. So the first application is this bank here. I know many of you might have heard about this bank. This is the bank. Let me just put my password and log in, guys. So now I have successfully logged into this account. Do you understand? And as you can see, I'm having just 2 naira 85 kobo here. So first thing I need to do is to deposit inside here. Then from here, I will be moving the money straight to my cryptocurrency account. Do you understand? So now this is what I have to do, guys. So I will be using my Access Bank account to deposit, which I am not going to do the video here, but I'm definitely going to show you that yes, I have successfully funded here. Then from here, I will be moving it straight to what, to my Bitcoin cryptocurrency account. Do you understand? So stay tuned, guys. Okay, I have funded this account now, guys. So let me show you guys. Can you see there is 5,000 naira here now? Okay, so what I will do now is this, guys. I'm going to send this money into my cryptocurrency wallet account. So to do that, first thing you need to do is to open your Roqqu. I don't know the app or this thing you are using, but as for me, Roqqu has been serving me well and very okay. So once you open your Roqqu, you can see it is opening, guys. So as you can see now, let me first show you guys my balance. As you can see, I'm just having 7 naira 4 kobo here as my balance. So anytime you want to deposit, look at what you will do. See this option that says deposit, but before you can be able to deposit, make sure that you've done all the settings on your profile. Do you understand? So once you're done with all the settings, you have a BVN, you must have NIN, and don't forget that your BVN and your NIN must be the same name for you to be on a safer side. Do you understand? So once this stuff has done, now what you need to do is just to click on this part that says deposit. Are you seeing it? Please pay a very close attention to this part. So once you click on deposit, put the amount you want to deposit, which is 5,000. So once you put 5,000, automatically you will see the rate of the amount you are depositing into dollar, which is $3.13. Do you understand? Good. So once you do this, you click on continue. Then once you click on continue, this part now that says bank transfer, you are not using bank transfer. The one we'll be using is what? Wallet pair to pair. Do you understand? So once you click on wallet pair to pair, you have this. Then you select that bank, which is this Ravon. Ravon is the wallet pay to pay we are using. Then as you can see, they write it was the fastest way, which simply means that if you should transfer money within a minute, your money will reflect here automatically. Do you understand? So once you get yourself to this part, just select this option. Then once you select this option, now this is the account details you'll be paying your money into. Are you seeing it? And they will give you time. Are you seeing the time is reading? You have just 5 minutes to do your deposit before this time runs out. Do you understand? So since you've been provided with this, what you will do is that first you copy the username. Look at the username of this person. Look at the username. This is the username of this person. Can you see Ravon username? So when you come to this place, you copy the username. So this is the person you will pay into, and this person will help you fund your account. It is legit. You don't need to be afraid. So I've clicked the username, I've copied the username. Then you come to this place now. So once you open your Ravon, you click on send money. Then when you click on send money, do not select blank transfer, do not select this bank transfer, but rather select this first one that says was sent to Ravon user. Can you see? So once you click on send to Ravon user, automatically under it you are seeing fast and free transactions. So once you click here, the transaction we'll be making here is for free. You are not paying time for charge. Do you get? So once you click here, you paste the username. So once you paste the username, you will get the person full name. So the person we are paying this money to is what? Is Samantha Victor. So this is it, Samantha Victor. Then here you put the amount you are paying, which is 5,000. Then this place that says narration, don't worry, this place that says narration, it is very, very important. If you put the wrong narration to this transaction, automatically your money will be sent to someone else and it is gone. That is not how you can get it back. But this is what to do. Once you are watching this video, you are on a safer side. So go back to your Ravon. Sorry, go back to your Roqqu, which is this. Then here now, this is the narration. This place that says what? Transfer ID. This is your narration. Do you understand? So all you need to do is just to copy here. Can you see? Once you click here, you've copied. Then you head back to this app now. Then you put this narration here. Just copy and paste auto. Then after you've done this now, next thing you need to do is just to click your proceed. Are you seeing the narration? This is the name. Bank is Ravon. Then transfer fee is free. You are not paying charge for anything. Then once you click on send, then put in your pin to confirm that yes, this is you. Can you see? You have successfully sent 5,000 naira to this person now. That is just it. Then once you are done making your payment here, you come back to this place. So once you come to this place now, this place that says I have paid, I have paid, just tap on it. This place that says I have paid. So once you tap on it, guys, button, this is what they say. Your deposit queued. Your Nigerian wallet will be credited once we have verified your deposit. Then go back to your home page. Do not forget I was having how much? I was having just 7 naira here. Then here, as you can see, I've gotten a mail already. I think they have added the money here, sir. Can you see? The money has been withdrawn here. Now look at my Ravon. Look at my Roqqu. Look at this notification from Roqqu. I don't know if you are saying it, that says what? 5,000 deposits successful. Now, for you to confirm this stuff now, refresh this home page. You will see the 5,000 naira will be added ASAP. Are you seeing it? It has been added ASAP. So guys, this is just the easiest way you can actually do what? Deposit and withdraw your money jejely without you involving any second or third party here. Do you understand? Thank you, and please don't forget to smash the subscribe button, like this video, and always turn on your notification sign. Then if you need me to do a full tutorial on how you can buy and sell coins here and make your profit, let me know in the comment section. I'm definitely going to do a full course concerning that. Do you get that? So stay tuned, guys, and bye bye.